Hello, my name is Cornelius Kölbel and I will show you how you can easily set up a master-master replication with a privacyIDEA appliance. Okay, so we have installed an appliance here. As you can see, we have the tool PI appliance here, which we introduced earlier, basically. And this is the machine we set up. I already enrolled a token. We have some users, and I configured a policy. Now I also have set up a privacyIDEA machine here. You see there we have no PI appliance tool. It's a normal PI manage. It's a normal freshly installed privacyIDEA server. And I will add an administrator, call it super. Okay, perfect. And now when we take a look at this machine here, at the second machine, we see that there are no tokens, there are no users, and there are no policies. Completely fresh install whatsoever. So now the idea is to set up a master-master replication, use the first existing machine, the appliance, to copy all things to the freshly installed machine. So to have the second machine as some kind of backup. One thing needs to be noted during the setup process. Some data will be copied from one machine to the other using the root account. This is used only during setup, not during normal productive use. But to do so, we have to be able to do this, we have to do two things. First, we have to set a password for the user root. And second, we have to allow that the user root logs in with the password via SSH. So in the SSHD config, we change permit root login to yes. And of course, we restart the SSH daemon. Now, this is all we have to do on the new naked machine. Now we return to our existing first machine and again start PI appliance. And now we go to database. Then we go to setup redundancy. And now we are asked some simple questions like, what is the IP address of the second privacyIDEA machine? This is the 202. And then we are asked, please enter the root password of this machine. We will do this. And then we are asked, enter the IP address of the machine where you are on. So what is the IP address that is used for the second machine to talk to the first machine? So this is 201. And this is all we have to do. The setup wizard realized that on the remote machine, privacyIDEA and MySQL is already installed and everything is fine. But please note that all data on the remote machine will be lost. So this can also be okay because the second machine could also be some kind of test machine with some remnant data. We say yes, and the MySQL setup wizard does its tasks. and is copying the ouch database to the remote machine. Fine. So this is all we have to do here, and the remote machine is done. I hope the audio is fine. So we see, still when we look at the old machine, everything looks good. I have my token, I have my users, I have my policies, and now the interesting thing is to look at the new machine on the second machine. Well, let's take first a look at PI manage admin list, and we already see first I created a user on the remote machine which was called super, but of course also this local administrator was copied from the first machine. And now if we enter the or if we log into the second machine with this very same account, we see there's the token, there are the users, and here are the policies. And we also see, no matter what, even if we go on the second machine and we start enrolling a token here, now we have 2 tokens. And of course, we will also see these 2 tokens immediately on the first machine. So I hope you like the way how easy it is to set up the Master-Master Replication. Stay tuned. Thank you for watching.